I picked up some earthworms on streets of New York after rain. Earthworms are natural fish food that I add in fish food flakes. Also I add any fresh or frozen seafood, shrimp, fish, green vegetables, leaves or peels of vegetables and fruits from my kitchen. Even watermelon rinds. But first I add whatever grows in my aquariums. Duckweed, Elodea, pond snails and etc. Then I add all other ingredients. Put all ingredients in a blender. I used to add potato starch as a binder to hold ingredients together. Potato peels have enough starch for that purpose. I add new ingredients in different proportions every time to see what my pets may like better. That is the beauty of homemade food. Add a glass of dechlorinated water or more if necessary to make the blending easier. Blend it all together very thoroughly. Here comes the most interesting part. I make fish food flakes without oven. Pour the prepared blend on plastic lids of food boxes. I buy food in those boxes at Costco, Whole Foods and similar food stores. Spread the mixture in even layer and let it dry. It takes 1-2 days for mixture to dry at normal room temperature. The well-dried mixture peels effortlessly from plastic lid. I crush the dried fish food between my fingers into desirable size flakes and put it in a box. Store the fish food flakes in a dry, cool, dark place as any normal dry food. It could be stored as it is for over a year, though I prefer to make small batches of fish food every other month or so. Give the usual amount of flakes to your pets at normal feeding time. Watch how your pets respond to it. It should take a couple minutes or so for your fish to eat everything you give them. Otherwise you may need to reduce the amount of food and or skip the next feeding. Overfeeding is often the cause of most problems in aquariums. Have fun and happy aquariums!